We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning in British English, because the American pronunciation is quite different. This is said as prosecutor, prosecutor. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as prosecutor, prosecutor in American English versus prosecutor in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.